Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and I had another video planned for today, but kind of had a little accident here, so just figured I'd talk about that. I'm not sure if you consider this a product feature or a product failure, but I guess I did find one negative to the Combi bracelet versus the typical resin strap. Actually, this isn't the typical strap. This is a nicer quality one, but I don't like wearing G-Shocks on the resin strap. It's not very comfortable. Combi bracelet's definitely more comfortable, but as I discovered, when you trip and kind of fall onto something and use your hands to brace yourself and you catch the watch strap instead it'll scratch your arm. Hopefully this isn't too gory for YouTube, but it's just a little bit of blood. This is a scratch. Not a big deal, but my watch did, the watch strap did break. And actually what failed was the spring bar. So we can zoom in here. The spring bar was still in the bracelet link there, but just sheared off the end of the spring bar here. This one might be broken as well. I don't know, but not a big deal, just something interesting that happened, so I figured I would talk about it here briefly. Then, rolling away there, put it on this mat. We can look at the link here. Maybe I scratched it a little bit here. Everything else seems to be okay with it. Stuff will buy another spring bar or just take one out. Actually, when it happened, I thought I had lost the spring bar here. Then here's this other link. I'm gonna have to put some hydrogen peroxide or something on my arm here. Kind of stings a little bit. I've been wearing a watch on my right wrist. Normally this G-Shock here, I wear it on my right wrist, which I don't normally do. I just started doing that. So if I have a watch in for review or a watch that I normally wear, I'll just wear it on my left wrist. Around the table here for, well, it doesn't really matter, any other watch, like that. And then, see, I have this one I have on the Gen 2. Actually, this one came on this bracelet. So I don't know if this one would have broke as well. Probably. This one is all plastic. This piece here is actually less metal too. The center links are plastic. The center links on this one are, I don't know if they're steel, but it's some kind of metal. I don't have a magnet here to test it with, but so there's that. If I would have been wearing this, I don't really know if it would have broke. Maybe it would just stretch a little bit. Wouldn't scratch my arm, that's for sure. It's probably from the metal bracelet clasp here. So anyway, just a short little video. Trying to decide if I'll post it tonight or tomorrow. I'll probably post it tomorrow sometime. So anyway, let me know your thoughts. And this thing kind of, no, I think it's supposed to be like that. It looked like it was a little loosey-goosey, but I think that's how it's supposed to be. I don't have another, actually I do have another Gen 1 somewhere. I haven't opened that box yet. Yeah, it looks about the same on the Gen 2 here. Just this all resin or plastic, whatever you want to call it. So if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Like the video if you found it useful. Maybe it's a public service announcement, or I don't know. Just obviously don't fall and catch your watch on a couch or something and it won't rip off your wrist. Won't scratch up your wrist. Anyway, like the video, subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a comment below. I think that will conclude today's video. Just a short little public service announcement here. I'll probably call this video failure or feature. And as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for the time, and I'll catch you on the next video.